As effects, fills, strokes, and different styles are added to objects, Illustrator keeps track of all of these changes in the Appearance panel. For example, with this star selected, I can very quickly see the customized stroke applied, its opacity, the fill that's applied, and any special effects that are applied as well. By using the Appearance palette, I can revisit any of these changes and modify them in one location without having to visit the individual panels. For example, if I wanted to come in here and change the weight of the stroke, all I have to do is click on the blue colored stroke link there. The color for the stroke is also right here at my fingertips. I can change the colors, select new swatches right here within the Appearance panel, and the changes are updated in real time. I can also revisit the parameters for the effect that is applied to this object, so that I can reduce or increase the cell size for this stained glass effect that's applied. I can also change the fill color by simply clicking on this color swatch. The other thing that I can do, which is quite handy, is using the new fill and new stroke buttons here at the bottom, I can add in fills that will stack upon the top of an existing fill. And I can change the colors of those as well. Now I will not see this new fill, which is yellow, that I have applied, because the opacity setting for the fill that is above it is still blue. But if I decrease the opacity for the top layer fill, then I can see the yellow fill underneath shining through somewhat. Another good place to use this is to stack multiple strokes. For example, if I have one stroke that is dashed, I can make the underlying stroke solid so it shows up underneath. I can then take the top stroke and make its thickness thinner so that it changes the style and look of the object that I am working with. I can also apply effects directly within the Appearance panel, and if there are any of the applied styles I don't like, I can simply drag them to the trash can or click on the Delete Selected Item button to get rid of them. The Appearance panel provides a great way to access all of the applied characteristics for an object quickly and easily.